Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be trying out something different. Tim the Tank did a Scooby-Doo fruit snack jungle juice that I'm very curious of. So I want to try that out today. Now, I'm going to kind of condense it down a little bit because I'm the only one drinking this, and I'm not drinking a whole 2-gallon tank because that seems ridiculous. You might be asking me, where's the 2-gallon tank? It's right here. So we're going to be doing probably up to about half-ish, roughly, or attempting to get it to about half, and then calling it quits there. So what you're going to need is some blue curacao. You'll need white rum. You'll need coconut rum. You'll need Midori or a melon liqueur, and you need this Amaretti pineapple beverage infusion. I couldn't find it anywhere. I looked in multiple stores, and I said, screw it all. It's only going to be so much, and I just decided, I'll use pineapple rum. Now, this Amaretti pineapple infusion thing is supposed to be a puree, and I was kind of debating on using using pineapple juice and pineapple rum, but I think the pineapple rum will work just fine. We'll see. We may have to kind of add and subtract and see how that goes. So we're just going to go ahead and get down to making this, and hopefully it go. Oh yeah, that's right. And we also need pineapple seltzers. I got these vodka seltzer real juice, whatever the fuck they are. And they don't really taste too horribly great, so I'm hoping I won't taste it at all. Ideally. Otherwise, I'm going to replace most of it with pineapple juice, because seltzers are just, I don't know. I don't care for them. So when I'm making this, I'm going to be doing it in the ounces instead of like a half-cup thing, because I don't feel like making more mess than I already am. And technically I could do it. No. I'm just going to use this. I don't feel like going back upstairs to try to go and get stuff, so we're just going to use this. And when I do say like, oh, this needs 8 ounces, I'm just going to speed this part up. I'll do the first pour, and then you watch me do the other 8 pours really, really fast. Pretty easy, pretty simple. We're just going to go ahead and get down to making this. Now I'm going to tell you the recipe that is the regular recipe. What you need is 2 cups of white rum, 2 cups of coconut rum, 1.5 cups of this Amaretti pineapple beverage infusion, 2 cups of melon liqueur, 1 cup of blue curacao, and then you fill the rest with the pineapple hard seltzer, which is about 128 ounces worth, which is about a gallon from what I could see on the video. We're going to cut that in half, and I might try to go a little smaller. We'll see. I don't think I will, but we'll do as we go. So let's go ahead and get down into making this right now. So we're going to need about 8 ounces of our white rum. Cue the speed up. I think that was 4. Was that 10 or was that 4? Fuck it. That'll be a little spicier. Next up, what we're going to need is our coconut rum. So 8 ounces of that. I'm going to count during this time. 1. Make sure to lick off your fingers because you poured some on your fingers. Next up is the Amaretti thing. We need about 6 ounces of that. 1, 2. Next up, what we'll need is our melon liqueur. 8 ounces of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next up, we need... Okay. Sorry about that. I'm licking off all the sweet, tasty liqueurs off my fingers. Next up, we're going to need is 4 ounces of our blue curacao. 1, and 2. And then all we need now is our seltzers. So here we go. hopefully that's enough seltzer, which it didn't really make it up to half, but I only bought one box of this and it had 4 cans of 12 ounces. It's supposed to be 64 ounces, but I put in 48 ounces. I could probably make that up with some pineapple juice. But we're going to mix this up and then we're going to go ahead and try it, I guess, and then kind of add and subtract and go from there. Where is my glass? Put you here. Yeah. And then I'm going to just fill this up over the edge of the bar and give it like about 20 seconds or however long this takes. Actually, it won't take that long. That's pretty cool. Alright, now we have our Scooby-Doo fruit snack jungle juice recipe, and let's go ahead and try it out. It's very green. It's actually kind of like really cool green. I like this green. It's not bad. I think it would be much better with the puree version. It probably would taste a lot better. But it might be also pretty good if I add pineapple juice to this. And I kind of want to change it up and add something extra to it as well. I haven't fully decided what I want to add yet. I kind of want to put Island Punch in this. Like, just not enough that would do too much of a color change. Just, it needs something that's a little bit more flavorful. It just doesn't taste like a Scooby-Doo fruit snack kind of thing. At least to me, anyways. It might be better with a little bit of pineapple juice. It could be a little bit better with something more tropically. I've had it in the past using banana liqueur for some of them, which might actually work for this instance. Hold that thought. Connected? Okay, good. So here's my banana liqueur. I'm going to add in about 2 ounces worth. Or maybe I should add actually upwards of 4 ounces. Because I don't think 2 ounces is really going to do much for this. So we're going to do that, and we're going to go ahead and mix it up again. Let's see if I ruined this or made it better. Okay, here's my next iteration of it. The banana liqueur didn't actually do too much to it. Actually, I think it kind of ruined the coconutty, pineapple-y melon that was going on in here. Which is odd because banana actually works out really well with Midori, coconut, and pineapple. It could be because of the vodka seltzer stuff that I got, the hard seltzers. I'm not actually 100% sure. I don't know if I really care for it, to be honest with you. It was good. It was good, but I don't know if it's something I would drink at a party all the time. Maybe if I was doing shots and stuff, I probably wouldn't care because you can't really taste the alcohol in it at all. It's just flavor, which is cool. But I don't know if I would actually drink this all the time. It is fascinating. Well, if I decide to fix this, not on video, or on this short, which is not really a short anymore, if I fix this, I will leave a comment down in the below this video explaining what I did to fix this, if I can fix it. kind of want to go tropically. It's not going to be really a Scooby Snacks anymore, um, or a Scooby Doo fruit snack anymore. It's going to be something much different than that. I kind of want to go a little bit more tropically, or maybe do some pineapple juice or something along those lines. And yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope to see you all next time.